Good morning everyone. I am Prachi.
I am Nitya.
I am Naila.
I am Vidhi.
And I am Arpita.
We have created a handmade model of Indus Valley civilization ship for a Viksit Bharat Buildathon. It shows the advanced urban planning and architecture lifestyle of one of the world's oldest civilization. We have included key features such as great bath, a house made of big bricks, and a well-organized draining system. Our aim is to highlight the interunity and cultural richness of Indus Valley people who were lived nearly 4,500 years ago.
Arpita, have you ever wondered why our cities get flooded so easily when it rains?
Yes, Nala, it is big problem. Roads fill with water, traffic stops, and people face trouble. But why does it happen so often?
One main reason is bad drainage. Many cities don't have proper plans for rainwater flow. But one ancient civilization had a great drainage system.
Really? Which civilization was that?
The Indus Valley civilization. They had advanced drainage system around 2500 BCE.
That's great. What was about their special features?
Every house was connected to covered drains. The drains were built on a slope so the water could flow easily. There were also small holes to clear and check the drains.
Wow, that sound is better than some modern cities. Can we use some ideas today?
Yes, if we build covered drains with slopes and clean them regularly, we can clean our surrounding and stop flooding.
That's a great idea. Ancient people were really smart.
Hello everyone. Let's talk about compare. Sir, stop कीजिए please. Today let's take our journey thoughts times. Have you wondered how our modern systems compare to the Indians valley civilizations? Modern cities.
Now let's talk about something basic. The drainage system.
The drainage system in the Indus Valley drainage were covered and sloped every houses its own connection. But in many modern city, drains are open, closed, and poorly maintained. That's why we see waterlogging during rains.
Now let's talk about building materials.
Okay, Indus Valley homes were made from uniforms, baked bricks. Today we use concrete, steel, and glass, strong but not always eco-friendly.
So Nitya, what about city planning?
Okay, the Indus Valley had a street in a grilled pattern. Modern cities, well, some are planned, but many are plastics and crowded.
And what about water supply?
Back then, every house had access to well. Now we really on centralized systems, and sometimes we face storms.
And what about pollution?
The Indus Valley had the fresh air, water, and natural surroundings. But modern cities struggle with air, water, and noise pollution. Thank you. Let's build the future by learning fast. Our aim is to learn from Indus Valley civilization ship and use their idea to build a safer and better cities today.
Let's learn from the past to create a better future. Thank you.